Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and Sorry Shop. We did close our physical store, but we did put everything into a room where we have an overview of our products here. And we can get an idea. I'm still setting up and inventorying. So we're still here. And we're online only. We closed the physical store. Some of the stuff is not food products on these shelves yet. We're still sorting out. And our craft items and stuff. We're still going through it all. And we haven't been online at all because we've been doing the move. We haven't been on video. It's been a lot of work. And we've got a storage space too for the bulk products. So we're going to have a little of everything here for us to overview and to fill orders, online orders, and then let me show you the bulk stuff. Again, I'm still working on it, but we've got bulk food items here. I'm sorting things out based on related types of products, and as you can see, I've got things everywhere and some shelves. I'm still going through setting up our shelves, so we're using our shelves still, even though everything's now in storage. And it's online only. Sorry Shop is now online only, and that's how it's going to be. So if anybody's interested, we still have our products, we still have everything, and you can still shop online at sorryshop.org and pick up any of these unique items. If business goes well online, we will continue to stock and carry on. We'll see how it goes. So this is where we've been for the last couple weeks. Why you haven't heard a thing from us at all. It's a lot of work moving that many products. Taking down all the shelves, moving the shelves, putting up the shelves, taking down the products, moving the products, putting out the products, and inventory. Because now we're an online only business, I had to do inventory of every single thing. I'm just finishing up the last 10 products out of everything I have. I say I because I'm doing the computer work. Melanie is hanging around somewhere, but I am doing the computer work. That's my job. We did the move, and we have been hauling and stacking and moving and sorting and everything else. But the computer work is mine. Anyway, that's where we've been. And check it out, guys. Sorryshop.org. Well, guys, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and Sorry Shop online. Talk to you all later.